I am Jesse Clayton, the technology specialist in the Learning Commons. I will be discussing the OneDrive. Click Resources at the top left. Click your TSC Outlook email. At the top left, click the tiles, then click the OneDrive. If you do not have any documents or files, you will see an empty folder. You have 7 gigs of storage space. If you need additional space, you can request up to 25 gigs from Microsoft. You can start using the free Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Outlook app software. The OneDrive is a lesser version of Microsoft Word. It is free. While you are typing, it is saving for you automatically. Keep in mind, you cannot share your document from the OneDrive over to Canvas. You will need to download your document to a designated location. Go to Canvas, then upload your document. If you have any questions, please contact Jesse Clayton, the technology specialist. He is located in the Learning Commons, LC 1666. His phone number is 850-201-8267. His email address is his first and last name, jesse.clayton@tsc.fl.edu.